So guys, after making it, this is how it looks. You can see how beautiful it looks. So crunchy and beautiful. In today's video, I'll be showing you the simplest way to achieve a beautiful crunchy ruffle hairband. Now I'll be using this English fabric. You can use any plain fabric and use designs fabric. For the width, I'll be using 3 inches. The length of the fabric is by 60. So I'll use the whole of the length. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and cut 3 inches on fold like so. So this is the simplest way to achieve it without any seam line at the front. Okay, first thing I'll do is just to join it like so with my sewing machine. I'll join it. So let's go over to the sewing machine and see how I'll do it. Now the first thing I'll do is to place it this way, right side facing each other. I'll close up the 2 edges like so. Remember, this is now the center like so. After joining, the next thing I'll do, I'll make sure the other side I fold it inward, inside like so. Fold it in, then pick the other edge, then I'll start sewing. Okay, as I'm sewing, I'm dragging it out. Make sure the first one is inside. I will insert it inside, then use this to cover it up. And while sewing, be careful not to sew through the one that is inside. This is the best method so far. While sewing, you will notice that the other part is inserted inside. So while I'm sewing, I'll be dragging it. Okay, see what I'm doing? So as I'm doing it, you can notice that the ones I've sewn will be going inside while I'm pulling the other side to make sure that I sew through it. Now the stitches is going round as I'm dragging it. You can see I've actually sewn round, remaining this side. I'll just close it, leaving small like 1 inch or 1.5 inches. You can leave 2 inches to be on, to make it easier for you. Okay, just go ahead and close up this place, leaving 1.5 inches open or 2 inches. So guys, after closing it up, I left 1.5 inches space. So from there, I will drag it out. You can see the opening. So I'll go ahead and iron it, after which I'll be inserting my elastic from this opening. So I'll go now and iron it out, then I'll show you the next step. So guys, after ironing it, I cut out 9 inches of elastic. So I've been inserting it on this through the opening round this thing. You have to be conscious of this edge so that it will not slip in. Okay. You can actually use any fabric of your choice to achieve this. You can use African fabric, you can use English fabric, any fabric of your choice. Okay, you can see. After which I'll go ahead and secure it. Okay, I'll cut off the excess part of the elastic. You can see everything is inside now. So I'll go ahead and close up the open part. Okay, I'll go ahead and close up this edge. So after making it, you can see how it looks. So guys, after making it, this is how it looks. You can see how beautiful it looks. So crunchy and beautiful. So I hope this video is helpful. How do you feel about this ruffle? Just drop your comments at the comment section. Was it helpful? Kindly give it a thumbs up to encourage me the more. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends. Keep watching for more designs, and bye until I see my next video.